e apostamos polos musicais para pechar este festival, amosando unha vez máis que a formación clásica académica permite abarcar calquer tipo de danza. As coreografías son adaptacións e coreografías íntegras, e son The Old That Jazz, Mary Poppins, Sete noivas para sete irmáns, Chicago e Cats. Disfrutade.
Why don't we paint the town? And all that jazz, I'm gonna lose my knees and roll my stockings down. And all that jazz, start the car, I know a whoopee spot where the gin is cold but the piano's hot. It's just a noisy hall where there's a nightly brawl and all that jazz. Slick your hair and wear your buckle shoes. And all that jazz, I hear that Father Dip is gonna blow the blues. And all that jazz, hold on, I got a bunny hat. I bought some aspirin, I'll let you night it drunk in case we shake apart and want a brand new start to do that jazz.
It's good to you.
And all that jazz. And all that jazz. It's just a noisy hall where there's a nightly brawl and all that jazz.